What's up, Alex?
Hey, man.
Introduce yourself and tell us what does Americana music mean to you?
Well, hey guys, I'm Alex Hicks. I'm part of the Mellow Mountain Band. You know, Americana music to me is kind of like the American dream, you know. When I listen to guys like Woody Guthrie and Tom Petty and Bob Seger, you know, they always talk about just everyday things we all experience, and they always tell beautiful stories that I think we all can relate to. You know, for me, the American dream's not so much as having a cool white fence and a nice house, but you know, just driving your old pickup truck down a gravel road. I think Americana music really captures that image for me.
What is it about the event that you're most excited about?
Man, I just want to tear it up on the guitar. That's what I'm excited about. I haven't played my electric live in a long time, and man, it's one of the best feelings in the world, getting out there and just pouring your soul into a guitar. And I think with all the hype around this event and all the great energy we're getting out of the guys, that it's going to be a beautiful thing to show the people, and I'm looking forward to it. And I sure like craft beer too. That's going to be exciting.